you ever wondered why your neighbor's peppers grow like water, while yours barely start a flower? Is there a secret formula? Some old trick passed down in whispers among gardeners? If you like juicy, large peppers, rich in color and flavor like I do, then don't skip this video. Today we are going to reveal something amazing, something your peppers won't forget. But before I reveal that secret, let's test your intuition. Write in a comment what you think peppers love so much that it makes them give birth like never before. Think it's a banana, coffee, vinegar, or something else entirely? Already tried everything, nothing works? Well, get ready for something completely different, because this is no ordinary supplement. This is a reaction. This is an explosion of life in your garden. And yes, don't forget to click subscribe, because I'll be sharing more powerful recipes soon. And now I reveal what you've all been waiting for. Take 1 liter of lukewarm water, add 100 milliliters of milk and half a teaspoon of dry yeast. Mix and leave for 30 minutes to wake up. Then, pour this mixture around the roots of the peppers, preferably early in the morning or in the evening. The result? The peppers will literally come alive. More flowers, more fruits, stronger plant immunity. Imagine a garden filled with lush, juicy tomatoes. No diseases, no chemicals, just nature working its magic. It might sound like an ancient secret, but today I'm revealing how to grow healthy tomatoes naturally, stress-free, pest-free, and with an abundance of fruit. If you love natural gardening and want the best for your plants, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Tomatoes are beautiful but delicate, prone to diseases and in need of rich soil and proper care. Instead of relying on chemicals, we'll turn to nature's power. Here's what makes the difference. Nutrient-rich soil before planting. Enrich the soil with organic compost and wood ash. This provides essential nutrients for strong growth. Proper watering, never water over the leaves. Always at the base of the plant, preferably in the morning or evening. Natural protection from diseases and pests, and this is where our secret ally comes in, garlic. Revealing the secret recipe. Garlic isn't just for cooking, it's a powerful shield for your plants. Here's how to use it. Finely chop 3 cloves of garlic and pour 1 liter of warm water over them. Let it sit overnight, then strain. Pour into a spray bottle and mist your tomato leaves every 10 days. It strengthens the plant and keeps diseases away. Believe it or not, garlic and tomatoes are perfect companions. Plant a few garlic cloves between your tomato plants. Its natural oils repel pests and help tomatoes grow healthier and stronger. So simple, yet so powerful. Nature has given us everything we need, we just have to know how to use it. If you love this natural method, leave a like and share the video so more people can discover this secret. See you in the next video. May your tomatoes be healthy and thriving.
If you don't know what to stuff cucumbers with, you're in the right place. We reveal to you a secret that only experienced gardeners know. Are your cucumbers lagging behind in growth? Leaves turning yellow? Flowers drop before the fruit grows? Maybe they don't lack water, but real food. Friends, please like this video as a sign of support and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for that. There is a simple yet powerful solution you can make at home with the help of baking soda and another ingredient we all have in our kitchen. Why exactly baking soda? It reduces the acidity of the soil and protects the cucumber root from rotting. It works preventively against fungal diseases. It helps the plant to absorb nutrients better. And the other ingredient? Honey, natural growth stimulant. Feeds beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Attracts pollinators if sprayed on flowers. By combining these 2 ingredients, we get a natural, mild, but extremely effective supplement for cucumbers. Recipe: 1 liter of lukewarm water, 1 level teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of honey, melted crystallized can also be used. Mix everything well and water around the roots of the plant once every 10 days, in the morning or early evening. Note: don't overdo it. This supplement is strong and is enough every 10 days. Have you already used baking soda in your garden? Write to us in the comments about your experiences. If you found this advice useful, support our work. Like, subscribe, and share the video mean a lot. Thank you for taking care of your garden together with us.